best camera bag ever. Yes, that's a bold statement, but honestly, it's the truth. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you why I feel that Peak Design is the best camera bag that money can buy. No, I'm not sponsored. I don't actually have an affiliate code. If I get one, I'll throw it in the bottom. But as of right now, I'm just sharing this out of pure love and kind of appreciation, because I've owned Peak Design bags for a long time now and they've served me really well. All my Peak Design products that I own, I bought with my own money. Starting out in video, these were the camera bags that I bought. So without wasting time, let me share why I think this is the best bag to buy. So build quality and versatility. Let's start with the build quality because man, this bag is a little tank. The main thing I love about this bag is that I can take it anywhere in various weather conditions. The material these bags are made with make them theft proof and weather resistant. The zipper is built on the inside and it's also slash proof. So if you're traveling, that's one thing to keep in mind. When you first open this bag, you'll notice that there's nothing in there. And that's because you have to customize it to how you would use it, but not to where you don't have to buy too much to make it fully functional. I recommend getting the large camera cube and leaving the top part open to throw in something like a gimbal that usually doesn't fit nice in bags. The little dividers in this bag are solid and they can be manipulated to suit your style. Depending on what I'm shooting, I customize the bag to fit different scenarios. You have a lot of cool compartments to stash cables, plates, camera accessories, and more. The main thing I would add is the camera cube, of course, because it essentially is like the brain of the bag. Ultimately, when it comes to build, I just feel like my gear is safe in this bag, and if you're gonna pay all that money for camera gear, the least you could do is put it in a bag that will keep it safe when you're transporting it. So here is the biggest reason why I would advise investing in the Peak Design lineup of bags is because they have a lifetime warranty and they stand behind it. So a little story, this is actually my second Peak Design 45-liter bag, and that's because the zipper on my other one broke. Peak Design has some of the best customer service I've experienced from a company. Both my sling and my 45-liter bag broke this year, and the main culprit was the zipper. And this was after 5 years of using it almost every day and taking it in all the weather conditions you could think of. Peak Design has a lifetime warranty on their products, so yes, it's a little pricier, but considering I got this other bag free of charge in the long run, it's worth it to me. When it comes to your camera gear, what you throw it in needs to be solid. So I would say spend the extra money with a company you know is going to take care of you if something should happen, and Peak Design will take care of you. Accessories. First thing I want to talk about is the capture plate. So this little thing is great if you want a solid quick release system without having to use a strap. Depending on the size of your camera, it's great for like lightweight cameras and you can kind of clip it on a bag or even your pants if you wanted to, but I've never done that because my cameras are a bit heavy. But if you're traveling or you have a camera that's a bit smaller, then I think you could do that. Depending on the size of your camera, it's great for lightweight cameras that you can attach to your chest on the 45-liter backpack, or you can attach it to your sling bag as well. That way you don't have to open your bag every time to get a shot. Personally, I stopped using the capture clip due to the fact that I don't want to have cameras on my waist and I need a faster solution for a 2-camera setup, which is why I run the dual camera strap system by Koiro, which you can see in a video I'll post below. Because I shoot weddings, that's why I require something a little faster, but if you're not like me, then the capture clip is a great option. They also have a Pro pad, which it kind of goes onto that so that if you do have a heavier setup, it's not like leaning forward on your pants, and the Pro pad's supposed to like take some of the weight and so that it'll stand straight. But I don't have one of those, but that is something if you're interested. Next thing I want to talk about is the strap. Okay, let me show you guys the strap. So you have these points here. You can just pop it in. I chose like the biggest lens I possibly could, like so unrealistic, but there you go. Pop in and you can pop them out easy too. So I actually made a video about this strap, or the bigger one, years ago. So I won't go into super depth, but essentially it's a quick release solution and it's great. Just not my favorite system to run for 2 cameras and having to switch to a gimbal. And when it comes to presentation, I don't want to have like 2 camera straps on me. I just don't think that looks very great. But depending on your use, this might be a great solution. Next thing we have is the Peak Design Tripod. I have the aluminum version, the carbon fiber one. I don't necessarily need the lightweight. I actually like the weight of this one. This thing is pretty small and compact. Like it can fit in like a water bottle holder on the 45-liter backpack. So if you get like 2 of these and they're just in your bag, it kind of makes it where you don't have to go and carry a whole other separate bag just to transport tripods, which is great. The one thing I'm not crazy about is this little situation here, like the whole, like where the plate goes, the ball head. It's just kind of weird. You know, it just works very differently than other tripods. It's what you get with it being a travel tripod, but I don't know. I'm not crazy about that part. The bubble, like the bubble, the thing that tells you that it's leveled. When you put your camera on here, this bubble leveler is usually covered. So you can't really check if your camera's leveled because this is usually always covered. Walking into an event and not having to bring a completely separate bag for tripods for events is a nice addition to my workflow. And because who really wants to make more trips than necessary? When it comes down to it, your camera bag is what you have to use to transport all your gear in. And although there are many other brands and solutions out there, I think Peak Design has the most versatile options when it comes to customization and quality. The biggest factor also for me is the lifetime warranty. I feel like that's priceless and gives an extra sense of security. And it also just speaks volumes about the company. And I'm just big on investing in something that I know is gonna serve me well in the long term. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And yeah, this is Damien. Take care.